a movement is beginning. Business owners around the country are tired of pursuing growth and success measured by balance sheets and income statements. Instead, they're transforming their businesses by reimagining success, using personal values and new methods to grow their business and make a significant impact. Your time to join them is now. If you're too busy to work on your business and time is your enemy, if you ever felt generating clarity for your business is a challenge, if a lack of candor prevents you from getting the feedback you need to make success-oriented changes, and if you felt alone and exhausted because your business's future sits on your shoulders, Transform is for you. Transform is your opportunity to join a group of like-minded business owners who are moving beyond the usual business model to one transforming them with lasting value, making a significant impact in their industries and communities. Transform removes the guesswork of going it alone. It's facilitated by an Agora strategic advisor within a group of high-capacity peers meeting one day a month for about a year.
I've often struggled financially with my business. Agora helped me come up with some creative and innovative ways to grow my business and grow revenue.
Transform's curriculum-based approach draws from what actually works from the nation's most successful owners, including mergers and acquisitions professionals and succession planning firms, all integrated with the deep and rich values of the Christian tradition. Transform is perfectly tuned for values-driven business leaders who desire a comprehensive approach to their businesses, one that affords them more time to pursue goals and plan for the next chapter in life.
Before I started Agora, I was feeling very isolated in my business. I wanted a place where I could bounce ideas off of other people.
During your time in Transform, you will develop into a more comprehensive leader, integrating your vocation, family, and faith. You'll find innovative ways to improve your products and services, eliminate competition, and grow your revenue and profit margin. You'll feel more confident and decisive about your decisions. You'll find and retain loyal and truly unrecruitable employees. Ultimately, you'll find more time, purpose, fulfillment, and achieve your goals in business and life.
Before I started Transform, business was going well, but I didn't have a good direction. We were able to meet with others in various industries, and we were able to help each other.
I feel like I've developed relationships with other people in the group, other business owners, other leaders in business, and because of that, I've been able to grow my own business.
In my mind, the goal for Agora is really helping Christian leaders figure out how to build redemptive businesses. Those are businesses that have a significant impact on the community.
Transform will take you from an exhausted, cautious, and alone business owner into a leader with a new definition and plan for success, building substantial value and making a significant impact.
My business was working me instead of me working the business. Success to me was just getting the next job and getting through it. But then we did Agora Transform. Not only did the joy come back to my business, but we defined success and achieved it.
Are you ready to join the movement? Are you ready to be transformed? Agora Transform, building lasting value and making a significant impact. For more information, visit agoraconsulting.us/transform.